Hothousing point to the rapid growth in the early years of brain connections. These connections are called synapses.
Synapses are really where the action is in the brain. They are the junctions between nerve cells. Nerve cells consist of two main parts, a cell body, and then a long process of fibre that goes off somewhere else in the brain. The contacts between nerve cells, between the fibre of one nerve cell and the body of the next nerve cell, where it transmits signals from the fibre to the cell, is called a synapse.
Genetics are responsible for much of the early growth of synapses, but experience also plays a part. Advocates of hothousing believe parents can accelerate the number of synapses in their baby by giving them extra stimulation.
I think early stimulation is very important. I think the more you expose a child to, the better and the more likely they are to be very open and very confident people, and hopefully it'll help with their intellect also.
But just as some synapses are rapidly forming, others, probably those which are not being used, are dying.
One of the apparent paradoxes in the way that the brain develops is that at first it seems to get more complicated and then to get less complicated again. That's judged by the number of synaptic contacts between nerve cells. They increase in number and then they decrease for a while.
There's a phrase called use it or lose it, which means that if you don't develop the baby's synapses, then it's going to be gone. You can't then, at 5 years of age, take them for special tutoring or whatever and expect that they're going to catch up. It has to be done when they're young enough and they're able to absorb.